Welcome to another video by Marvin. That's me. This video, I'll be attempting to correct the hood because it looks good on reflection shots, but really, it sucks in direct lighting. So don't believe reflection shots, people. I don't think I have to even put on my light to see what I mean. Imagine if that was the sun. Terrible, terrible, terrible. We'll take that out for clarity. Okay, the car is a bit dusty, so I'm gonna wash it. Maybe just foam it and just do a 1 bucket wash after a good pre-rinse, and then we're going to decon with Sonax Fallout Cleaner, okay? And then we're gonna do a decon again using Mother's Clay. It's a regular clay that you can buy from Blade, the 1,000 something per pack. I got it off the car show for 1,000 pesos only because the box is broken. So for this, you need to look at how to open it because it's got a stopper here, not like your regular Sonax models, which is just like this. It doesn't have that safety, maybe because this is more chemically powerful, I don't know. But for now, we're just gonna do a quick wash with some car soap. Dry it, decon, and then eraser, and then yeah, that's it. We're using our 40-degree tip just for the rinse. Wait, before I turn that off, that's washing. And then I'm just gonna show you clips of the decon I did, and claying, nah, just watch other claying videos. But be sure I clay that before I'll start polishing. Okay. The baby is now clean. Clean the windows, dry the wheels, the door jambs. Blasted that part with air. Maybe you're wondering where's my air compressor. Because it's so late at night, I don't want to wake up the neighbors. I ran the hose into the other room at the back of the house, so that when it kicks, there is no sound. Life cheat! So this has been prepped and it's ready for some polishing. I did some test spots. It is good with M100 and a microfiber pad from McGuire's. That's what we're gonna do today. I'm first gonna hit up the edges, the concave parts right there, and I'll call it a day. Still haven't decided what to use for protection. We do have some Power Lock, we do have some Colonite. Don't know yet, so we'll see. It's important to start with a clean surface. That's why we're going to use a cardboard eraser for our IPA wipe down. Take this thing off. Take this thing off. Pussy. Carpro eraser smells good, and it's not that grabby compared to IPA. IPA, when it evaporates, it's so grabby. Which is something to think about if you want to go out and spend, I think, 1,000 pesos for that 32-ounce bottle. I forgot. That's our enemy. Ooh, look at that bad shoot. So the test spot I did is here. That's why that's so clear. But it's the other parts of the hood. It's just nasty. Yeah, that's the extent of the bad juju. So we're gonna take it out. Edges first, then tackle this big part later. Glare. There you go. Came up nicely. For reference, it looked like this. Next is this. We're gonna use a 3-inch pad. Boom. Lake country. Let's do it.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Go speed compound for nothing. Look. So the haze you see there is normal. We're gonna take that out with polishing. But so far, the scratches are kaput. It's time to cut. This is a big bag. Taking you along for the wipe. I broke my freaking duster. Nice. For polish removal, I just chose to use the Gold Plus Junior. This one's from Reflections Car Care if you care. If you care, if you want to get it. I didn't put a lot of pressure. Could be bad, could be good. So far, looks good. Cut, not cut. I would do one more pass. I think I was just being a baby by not putting any pressure. Yeah, one more pass, so I might be happy with one. Yeah. I still see some. Okay. Guys, it's deep in the night, so we're gonna use a 2-inch pad. I know it's gonna take me forever, but this thing is so silent, I can get away with it. And so, the task to do it is now. Later. Update, my friends! So we've been using this, which is a yellow Rupus pad, partnered with Manzurna SF 3500. Might be wondering what the difference is. So you can see the light there, and then the light there. There's no whoop, much crisper. So that's it. Yes, that haze, I haven't wiped that, so I'm gonna wipe that. I'll do that to all the hood, and then I'll show you the finished product. Boom, and we are done. That's it. Then IPA wipe down with a eraser. Nothing left. Nothing is left. Sorry about the glare on the camera, but that's it. That's a factory defect I cannot get out, but everything else looks flat as F. Don't mind the other lints. I still haven't decided what protection I'll use, but this'll do for now. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, just subscribe for more. Thank you very much, guys. Marvin out. Bye.